Hey everybody, welcome to ClarksPlace. If you're watching this, you have probably just scanned a QR card that we've handed you for our car shows, Pops and I. I'm Chris, by the way. This is Rick, my father. And
we are going around trying to record local shows as they come up and we're available. And we're starting to hand out business cards that's got our scannable block on it that probably a lot of you are used to if you go to an airport and all that, and it'll take you right to this site where we are, and we're going to post those videos. So if you're at the car show with your car,
I gotta cross my arms since you're crossing yours.
Okay. We hope that we have filmed your car, because we'll try to hit every one of them, and we talked to a lot of the different people. We've done two shows for sure.
We did Daytona, we did a Fleming Island show.
Right.
And then we did a local Little Freddy's show, and then we've got a couple coming up, so you will probably get...
Right.
You will be the first ones that actually check this video out. We don't mean for it to be super long video. There's several times that we've focused on some cars that I really keyed on. What's your favorite car we've done?
Oh, I think probably the wing car over at Fleming Island.
Yeah, there was a Superbird, an orange Superbird in the Fleming Island show. And then another one of my favorites, that is one of my relatives up in Indiana, one of his favorites, it's a blue Trans Am. It was a really cool car.
We did a pickup truck, like a 67 or 8.
Something like that.
That was a special paint job.
Custom front end on the paint and all that. It was really cool. So those are just a few that you've seen a little flash in this video of some of our documentation. A little short thing, like I said, I didn't want it to be a huge video. Take this information from this card. You've scanned this video. It is on our page. You're now on our page.
Like us.
Yeah, like, subscribe.
It's either this side or this side to click the button and subscribe, and then you'll get updates if you go to another show, or if you're interested in seeing what we record, or if your car was at the show and you want to tell your friends, hey, my car, if you want to see it,
check it out.
Check it out.
There's a playlist. We've got lots of playlists. We do pinballs. We do 2 restorations. Pops has a 72 Challenger he's restoring. I've got a 69 Charger. And we've done Mustangs. We've done a couple of Mustangs.
I'm in the Mustang Club. Behind you can't see, we're doing an O-gauge train layout. So we're doing a lot of decorating.
So subscribe, like that playlist for car shows. You'll continue to get updates every time we go to a car show and film like the other videos that we've done. We're going to have more and more of those videos. So you see lots of cool cars, and we like all cars. So we film trucks, whatever draws us in, what customization, paint, all of the things that we love and what we strive to mimic here and to produce.
And there's a lot of videos of us doing the work too. We painted a topper for my truck.
Oh yeah, we just did that.
Sanded on his car, putting a unisteer, rack and pinion steering on my Challenger. True. We're trying to do a little bit of everything that we like to do out here in the garage. So that's why it's called ClarksPlace, because it's not just one thing.
Yep. So you've scanned that card. That's all that's good for.
Yep.
You're on our site. Like, subscribe, and then you'll you'll get an email every time we update and put a new video out there. So thank you for watching. We appreciate you subscribing, and we'll see you at the next show.
All right. Bye-bye.
Ooh, twice. Bye-bye.
Oh.